Assalamu alaikum guys. This is an easy, neat hijab style that's perfect for printed scarves and it's also work appropriate. Begin by placing the length of your scarf on your head. Fold in the raw edge if necessary. Make sure that your scarf has one short end and one long end. You will now take the short end, wrap that around your neck and bring it to the front. You will then take the long end and then fold that around your face just to make sure that it's all nice and neat, and then bring that around the back of your neck and all the way to the front. This is the part where you can make sure that you have the V shape going on in the back if you need to. Then we will simply knot the two ends and tuck this under our scarf, and that's it. The scarf style is done. This is perfect for work, and you want to make sure that your scarf stays as close as possible to your neck, so it shouldn't be spilling over your shoulders. This is just something that I prefer, and it just looks so much more put together. For added security, you just have to pin your scarf underneath your chin. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Assalamu alaikum.